What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be modding the AMG. So we're going to be doing the calipers yellow, and the wheels, we're going to be painting them black, but leaving the silver trim around it, just because I really like that look. So we'll be doing that. Next up would be also the front grille. It has the diamond grille right now, which we're going to be changing. And then I'm super excited on how that one's going to look. So we're going to be doing that, and also painting the front lip. So hopefully everything goes smoothly. I already bought all the materials. So a lot of mods are gonna be happening in this video. Let me know what you guys think, if I should get tints on it or not, since I have the red seats and I kind of like how they look without the tints. So those red seats are pretty cool. But yeah, guys, this car is gonna definitely look a lot different. This video is not gonna be like a super like step-by-step process. It's just basically to show you guys what I'm doing to the car. Just in case if you guys do have this car, you guys can have some modding ideas on what to do to it. So that's what's gonna happen tonight. I just got out of work, I'm super tired, but screw it, I'm just gonna do all this stuff. Hopefully it all goes smooth like I said. So with that being said, I'm gonna start off with showing you guys the caliper paint that I'm gonna be using. It's not specifically caliper paint, but this is how it looks. I really like this bright yellow, but it is high temperature paint, so hopefully it lasts. That's gonna really make the calipers pop in this car. So we'll be doing that, and then honestly just have to thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking my videos, guys. You guys mean a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna be using to paint the wheels with. So it's this product right here, it's Super Wrap. I've heard super good reviews about this actually. I've seen YouTubers do this on their wheels and it looks literally like paint. But if you end up not liking it or something later on, you could just change it up, which is super convenient. So we'll see how good this product actually is. So that's that. As you guys probably saw, I have a bunch of mess here, all the tools that I'm gonna be using. The air compressor to take off the wheels just so everything's faster. And also guys, check this out. This is pretty cool. I made this like back in high school, like 4 years ago. It's not bad. Hang it up right there or something. Okay guys, and this is the front grille. It's the, I think, GTR style or something like that they call it. And the cool thing about this one is that it also comes with the AMG emblem. So this thing's gonna look so badass. Hopefully it looks good, because I was super like undecisive on whether to get it chrome on the stripes down or just like gloss black, but I went with the chrome just because like if I do like it, I'll just leave it, but if I don't, I can just still paint it since I have a bunch of cans. But okay guys, this is so far what I've done. So I got the front lip getting painted over here. The car, this is how it looks. And we got the front bumper off, which was a pain in the butt, but we got it off. And now we're gonna be installing the GTR style one. There we go. And then like how I said, that one comes with an AMG badge as well, that's here. Let's see. There we go. So yeah. Okay guys, literally after like 4 hours, I swear, we finally got the grill done. And I wasn't able to take these off, I don't know, it was super hard for me. But I did end up taking that piece off. But right now we just wrapped the whole car, and we're gonna be painting those right now. And that's how the grill looks, guys. It looks, honestly, and personally, I bet it looks 10 times better, guys. This thing looks insane. It actually looks like an AMG. Now, when we do the wheels, these wheels are gonna come out super cool looking. I can't wait. Heck yeah. C43 style diffuser, which looks badass too. Heck yeah, so right now I'm just gonna get started on this. It's like 11 p.m. tonight. I wanna get everything done. So the more important ones to do are the front ones, because those are like the actual calipers. And with these ones, as you guys may know, it's just like a little metal piece. So, okay guys, so progress is being made. I got the wheels over there almost done. I'm just going to be doing one more coat on them. Here, I'll get a closer look for you guys. So since I wanted the silver trim around the wheel, I taped them up. Same with that one. Gloss black. And I'm painting them gloss black. They're gonna look super cool. And these are the brake calipers. It's gonna look so much better, guys. That front grille, that's what makes the difference. Thing looks clean. Hell yeah. This garage is a mess. Hopefully, I'm just going to be doing one more coat on everything. Wheels, calipers, and front lip. That front lip looks super good actually too. Look at that. Dang, heck yeah. Super clean. I'll put everything back together, and then I'm gonna be putting probably an AMG sticker on the calipers, like how I had it before. Guys, it's currently 4:30 in the morning. This project took way more than expected. I'm like super tired right now. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the end result. And honestly, I think it was actually worth it. The car literally looks completely different. Here we go. Honestly, it was well worth it, guys. This thing looks insane. I was actually kind of like, I was a little bit iffy on these wheels, actually. I don't know, at first they didn't look too good because we were gonna leave the silver trim around it, like we said, but we didn't get a straight enough edge on it, so I just decided to do them all black. It actually looks pretty sick, honestly. I think the grill looks super good, chrome. And with the gloss black inside, I think it looks clean. I didn't want to go all black out too, because well, the badges are silver and the back ones too, so might as well just leave the grill chrome, so whatever. But look at the front lip, guys. That thing turned out super good. Clean. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get some sleep before I gotta go work like in an hour. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like it up, comment on things you guys would like to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.